Hello everyone, my name is Muskan. I am a legal intern at Lexical Kane Company. So today's topic of discussion is brief analysis of attack on women in India. So let's proceed with our topic. An acid attack involves the paramedic throwing of acid on a victim, usually on her face. It is a gender-based heinous crime against women. Heinous crimes are those where punishment is 7 years or more than death. In addition to causing psychological traumas, acid attacks result in severe pain, permanent disfigurement, subsequent infections, often blindness in one or both eyes. According to the National Commission of India, an acid attack is any act of throwing acid or using acid in any form on the victim with the intention of or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause to the other person permanent or the partial damage or deformity or disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. As the attack on women is increasing day by day, basically on the girls in the age of 11 to 30 years. The most common type of acid utilized in these assaults include sulfuric, nitric, and hydrochloric acid. Severally, community awareness programs are being conducted by local authorities and administrative departments to make people aware of this heinous crime. This paper wants to highlight the cases and impact of the acid attack on innocent women and problems or hindrances suffered by the victims. Introduction: Women are an important part of our society. Every woman has her own job or duty in this modern society in which men are unfortunately still the strongest gender. We can't forget that a woman's life is a lot more complicated than a man's life. A woman has to take care of her own personal life, and if she is a mother, she has to take care also of her children's life too. Worse still, if she is married, additional stress can on her soldiers, yet they will still perform very well in the work environment, in some cases better than their male counterparts. Violence against women is a manifestation of historically unequal power relations between men and women, which have led to the domination over and discrimination against women by men and to prevention of the full advancement of women. Gender-based violence is endemic worldwide, cutting across age, martial status, religion, class, race, and thus poses human rights violation and huge health problems. In this paper, the focus will be given only to acid attacks, especially in India. Definition and meaning of acid attack. As per the provisions of Prevention of Offences Act 2018, National Commission for Women draft will constitute the definition of acid attacks and acid. According to Section 3 of the said Act, acid shall mean and includes any substance which has the character of acidic or corrosive or burning nature that is capable of causing bodily injuries, leading to scars or disfigurement or temporary or permanent disability. Acid attack means an act of throwing acid or using acid in any form on the victim with the intent or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause to other person permanent or partial damage or deformity or disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. The IPC 1860 by virtue of Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 under the explanation 1 of Section 326B has defined acid to include any substance which has the acidic or corrosive character or burning nature capable of causing bodily injury, leading to scars or disfigurement or temporary or permanent disability. National Commission of India, July 2009. Acid attack can be perceived as any act of throwing acid or using acid in any form on the victim with the intention of or with the knowledge that such person is likely to cause to other person permanent or partial damage or deformity or disfiguration to any part of the body of such person. Acid attacks on women. As you all know, that author in the article highlights the evil practice of acid attack. The author wants to highlight the physical as well as psychological consequences of such attack, or the author also covers the insufficiency of law to give justice to victims and the possible steps that can be taken to strengthen the law to deal with such attacks. Domestic violence. Violence within the home is one of the leading causes that are attributed to throwing of acid by family members on vulnerable women. In this mainly dominating society, the imply woman on anything or her vocal nature has been taken as defiance or relevance by the husband or his family members, and has resulted in such tormenting and traumatic incidents. It could be related to bringing of dowry, inability to bear a child, refusal to obey, refusal to have sex, suspicion, property disputes, family disagreements, etc. So that's all for today. If you like my video, do like, comment, and subscribe the Let's Click YouTube channel. Thank you.